Bismillah Rahman Rahim. Assalamu alaikum. So how to fold this box? Very simple. Just you can fold all creases. Same this one. And this last one make opposite. Okay. And other side same fold. This also same fold. This also same. And this one last one opposite. All fold. Now all central creases fold, and this one last one we make opposite. How? Same this one. Okay, and then other side fold, then fold, then fold, and now this part you want to fold opposite. Okay, now just you can catch this two lock and this part fold to inside. Same this one. See, if you catching here this, okay, so this easily fold. Then other side same this one, catch this both side and fold inside. Then last thing, just this big part you can fold inside and this as a dashboard. Okay, now just you can fold this two part inside and easily lock this ready.